This video is part 2 of a 4-video series of an AI influencer course, so if you haven't watched part 1, I recommend you go and watch it. I will leave the link down below. So let's continue into the next step. Okay, so for this next step, which is face swapping to get reference images, you're going to need our pro version. If you have access to this, all you have to do is go to Rampo template right here. Then again, choose the 5090 and you can just click deploy on demand. Now once again we will have to wait some time for it to load, and I'll be right back with the next steps. Okay, now your next step in this tutorial is getting the reference images itself that we are going to face swap your influencer's face with. So let me quickly explain how this works. So for example, let's say I want my AI influencer to have the body of Leah Halton. Okay, so now what we need to do is to train a LoRA, we need like 30 to 50 pictures of our AI influencer in like different outfits where like her full body is visible, like from head to toes. So for example, you can take pictures this one if you want your influencer to have the body of Leah Halton, or you can even mix in a few models. So you can have 10 pictures from this girl, you can have like 10 pictures from another Instagram influencer. You can always mix them up, so your model will have the combination of those bodies, if you get what I'm saying. And the model will also kind of like take over like the style and the outfits of those girls. So you need to find like Instagram influencers that you want your influencer to dress like and to look like. So that's your main objective in this right here. So to actually help yourself with this, I recommend getting a extension which is called Image Download Helper. It is very simple to use. You just click on it, click enable right here. Then you can refresh the site, and now you will see this download button on every single like site you use. So this will make it a lot easier. So in this step, I'm just going to go over some Instagram influencers and taking pictures from them. I always recommend taking pictures something like this, or don't take it like this. You need them to have like a normal face expression, like right here. This is a good picture, and you need the pictures to be high quality. This is not a good picture. See, it's pixelated. This is kind of hairstyle that she uses. Be careful with what pictures you download. For example, this picture isn't very good because she has glasses, which we don't want that because it will have errors when face swapping. This is a pretty good picture. This is a good picture. Yeah, just keep that in mind, whatever you download. Personally, for this influencer, I'll make a new folder, by the way, for reference. I kinda want a AI influencer, this one, to look like a Pinterest girl. And I think Leah Halton is a very good example of like someone you see on Pinterest. So that's why I'm going to download a lot of her images, because yeah, just believe she has these trendy outfits and trendy pictures always taken. By the way, I don't remember if I mentioned you need anywhere from 15 to 50 reference images. I don't recommend going above 50, but around 30 is always good. For this video, I'll go for like 20 images total. Okay, so I have just downloaded 15 images of Leah Halton. I won't be using any other influencer because this is just for a tutorial, so I'm not going to actually use this AI girl. But yeah, I see I download pictures like this, and I think my pod is already configured. Let's check. No, it's not. So yeah, let's wait some time. Okay, so the Comfy UI has just loaded, so all you have to do is just click on it. Now inside the Pro course, all you have to do is click download right here, then right click and save as, and you can save it as face swap JSON. Okay, so now if you downloaded it, just drag it right here. Now here, all you have to do is upload a file of your girl's face, so I'll just use the default one. And then you can upload a file of the reference images. So for example, this one we have, and now just click run right here. Okay, so we just had our first face swap, and if it looks kinda ass like this one, we can just type in the prompt also adjust the skin color to match the face, because this looks extremely unrealistic. And we can click run again. Always remember that you can adjust the prompt to your liking, like or even if you don't know how to prompt, what to type, you can just explain to ChatGPT in your own language like what's happening, and you're using like a face swap model, and just ask it to fix it. So this one is actually a bit better. Let's see. So I'll go ahead and download this image as my first. We need to adjust the like this image to the reference image that we are using. So since we have this, it looks perfect. So now we can go ahead and click run again. Okay, so this one actually doesn't look good at all for some reason. For this one, we actually don't need this part of the prompt. Also adjust the skin color to match the face. So we'll remove that part and click run again. Okay, so it actually just fails for some reason with this image. So we can go ahead and try out the basic one. So we'll try that. And it still doesn't work. So we're going to throw this image away. This can sometimes happen, so don't panic. Like sometimes the AI just can't figure it out. So don't be scared to just switch it up. Okay, and this picture actually looks very bad, as you see. So let's say adjust to the weather conditions. Adjust face to the weather conditions. Let's run again. Just face to the weather conditions, because this photo is outside and she has like a shadow, and it's also like darker a bit outside. So when I said that, it actually made a very great image. So we can go ahead and download this as well. This one is also outside, so I'll leave the prompt the same way it is. And I actually like this picture as well, so we can go ahead and download this. These are only for LoRA trading. This process can take you a long time, but this is a very crucial process, so make sure to do it right. So let's move on to the next image, which is a simple casual selfie. So this one should be pretty easy. Okay, we can go ahead and save this one as well. Very good too, so we can go ahead and save it. Also a very good image, so we can go ahead and save it. Okay, and this didn't come out well for some reason. Maybe we need to prompt it. The face is facing the same way as image 2. Okay, so this one kind of worked. Yeah, I'm actually going to save this. I kind of like it. So yeah, let's save this. Okay, so this image is also decent. I'll go ahead and save it. Okay, her head looks way too big. So I'll say adjust head size to body. And click run again. Okay, I don't like this as well, so I'm probably going to skip this image actually. Now this one is not outside, so I'm just going to adjust face to lightning conditions. Just like this. And I'm going to run it again. Okay, I'm not sure what the fuck it just did, but I'm actually going to save this, because this is like her in like an environment quite different with different lightning. So I'm still going to use this image, so I'll take it. Bad. Yeah, this is not bad. I'm actually taking this. Okay, this is not actually bad. Let's take this, save image. Okay, this one is not too bad either. We can save it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 images. So it actually should be fine. We need more, but I will try actually training a model with this amount of images. So yeah, in the next video I will show you how to turn this into a custom AI model, where you will be basically able to put this woman that you created into like different outfits, different Instagram images, and it won't be very hard. So in the next video I'll show you how to train your own LoRA. So you can click the video right here, or If you're on WAP, just click on the next step.